Here's how to check if your soundbar is connected by HDMI eARC or Optical. The first thing that you have to check is the side of your soundbar. If you see there is an ARC or eARC HDMI port, it means that you can connect your HDMI eARC. Now, if you see that you can connect your HDMI eARC to the port, it means that your soundbar is connected by HDMI eARC. Now, this is what it looks like to have an HDMI eARC been connected on the back of the soundbar. Now, to actually check it, go ahead and go to the TV speaker of your television and click on the Use TV Speaker option. Afterwards, you will see there the wired speaker option. Now, if you see that the toggle button is on the HDMI eARC device, it means it is connected to HDMI eARC device. If it's an optical, it means it is an optical. Again, you can customize it on your own.